Hello, this is Alexander Cross, Law Offices of Cross & Associates. If you'd like to learn more about criminal defense, be sure to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross & Associates, here in the San Francisco Bay Area. So we received an interesting inquiry here on our YouTube channel. This has to do with somebody who was having sex with his underage stepsister. Criminal attorney, Redwood City, accused of a sex crime, Redwood City. Let's see here. My 25-year-old son, who I had with my first wife, is having sex with my current wife's daughter. She's 16. What will happen if my partner complains to the police? Well, there's a couple of issues here. Number one, the obvious one is assuming that it's consensual sex. Well, we're still talking about a violation of Penal Code Section 261.5. Because there's more than a 3-year age difference between the two, this would mean that it would be a felony, which carries up to 3 years state prison, plus your 25-year-old son would have to register as a sex offender for life. Now, there's another issue at hand. Were you aware that this was going on in your home, and you were just keeping it quiet? You know, did you have a conversation with your son, with your stepdaughter? The reason is because if you knew that this was going on in your home, you could have a problem in that you could be charged with contributing to the delinquency of a minor, which could be classified under Penal Code Section 273A, parentheses A, which would be a felony that carries up to 6 years state prison. Yeah, so you have to be very careful with that one. Now, if you knew that this was going on, the best thing for you to have done is say, hey, look, knock this out, knock this off, stop it, don't be doing this. It's a crime, Of course, they don't listen. Well, if they don't listen, it's like, look, well, then I don't want to be responsible. You do this out of your house. You do this out of my home. But don't put yourself in a situation where you're complicit in the behavior. But yeah, we're talking about a violation of 261.5 of the Penal Code, carries up to 3 years state prison, plus having to register as a sex offender for life. That is what could potentially happen if your wife goes to the police and makes this report. Regardless, if you'd like to learn more about criminal defense here in the San Francisco Bay Area, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross & Associates. But if you've been accused of a crime and need representation in court, call us at 1-800-862-7677. Once again, 1-800-862-7677. On our next video, we're going to be discussing the case of domestic violence with a minor victim. Criminal attorney, Redwood City, accused of a sex crime, Redwood City. Statutory rape, Redwood City.